Hello Rosebuds, Goddess Tiffany Rose is back once again with another self-care beauty video for just you and you alone. Yes, you. But okay, yes, I'm back once again. I wanted to bring a new product that I received in the mail as a gift, and this product is absolutely amazing. It just takes me high. It just gets me so high, and it is by Milani. I absolutely love it. As you can see, we have some cannabis in it. Yes. Cannabis. I love cannabis products. I'm just playing. But no, this is awesome because it's cannabis sativa seed oil and it is a hydrating facial mist, and it basically moisturizes your skin, and it is amazing. All you do, you can wait a minute, something went coming out when I shook it, but it's fine. Okay, it's fine. It works great. Is that the product? Yeah, that is the product. Okay, but yo, you shake it, okay, like this. You just shake it, and you can put this on after you cleanse your skin, just to give it some moisture, a nice cooling, refreshing rinse. Or you can put it on after your makeup. How awesome is that? You're like, I'm in the middle of the day, I need something to cool me down. I just need to cool down a little bit. Let me spray my mist. I love, and the smell is just so amazing. It don't smell like weed, trust me, okay? Even though it has cannabis on it, it doesn't smell like loud, okay? It's not loud, but it smells great, okay? It's just refreshing. It feels so cleansing and cooling, and I just feel so moisturized. Like, look at that. Like, look at that glow. Just spraying those few sprays. Yes, darling. Yes. It just, feels so free. It just takes me higher, I swear. But anyway, yes. Get this product. It is available now on MilaniCosmetics.com. It has, looks like 4.5 out of 5-star reviews, so definitely a great product. And guess how much? Only $9.99. $9.99. And a little detail about it, okay? And it basically, it says, keep calm and spray on, take your glow to a high with the Green Goddess Hydrating Facial Mist. 4% cannabis sativa seed oil soothes and nourishes the skin barrier, while the cooling mist makes it easy to refresh on the go, delivering a boost weightless hydration used before a pre-makeup prep or whenever you need a quick refresh. Okay, so it contains the cannabis sativa oil, helps hydrate, soothe, and nourish skin, enhanced with aloe vera and a customized hydration water complex of chamomile and cucumber water. Nothing with fur, fin, or feathers was hurt to make this product essential. This product is 100% vegan. This product and every other Milani product is never tested on animals, and we don't allow others to test on our behalf either. Our product is 100% cruelty free, vegan, and made in the US of A. Okay. But I love it. Thank you so much for sending me this product. I just want some more. I just want to just like, you can just like, it's like standing in a nice misty rain, and it's just like, oh my eye, but oh yes, it's so great. I love it. Definitely get this product, only $9.99 on MilaniCosmetics.com. Get it. And before you go, one piece of advice, not even advice, but request. I ask, request. Please go to my Facebook page, go to my Instagram page at Goddess Tiffany Rose, and there is a link in the bio that allows you to send a testimonial letting them know at Sephora Squad that you want to see more videos from Goddess Tiffany Rose. You like the content she brings, you enjoy her energy, you like her style, she's funny, she's beautiful, she got a great smell. I just want to see more. I just want to support a black female trying to make it out here as an entrepreneur. Whatever you want to say, go and say it, as long as it's positive energy. And I would greatly appreciate it. Also, let me know that you did send something, so that way I can tell you personally, thank you so much. Until next time, please stay safe, and I love you all. Kisses.